Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be doing a detangling Prepoo mask using flaxseed and shea butter for the mask. We all know that flaxseed is a detangler, is an excellent detangler for your hair. Measure out your preferred quantity depending on the volume of your hair or the thickness. Add your flaxseed into a boiling water. Allow to cook. You will know it is ready when you start noticing this white stuff on top. Go ahead to sieve it using a cheesecloth or any sieve available at your reach. When you sieve it, you're going to get this gel form liquid, semi-liquid, because it's going to be in a gel form. Note, once this is cold, it's going to be thick. You will not be able to sieve it the way I'm doing it right now. So it is better to sieve immediately while it is hot to avoid being solidifying. So this is my consistency as I have sieved it, but once this is cold, it's going to be thicker. So after you cook it, this is exactly what it will look like. So onto our next ingredient, we'll be using shea butter, our mighty original African shea butter. So this shea butter is very important in our hair care. If you are an African, you should know how important this shea butter is to our hair growth. Shea butter has numerous benefits to our hair growth. Shea butter moisturizes the hair. It locks in moisture into the hair. It also softens the hair. It repairs damaged ends. It encourages hair elasticity. It reduces frizz. It also soothes irritated scalp, reduces inflammation, and also balances the scalp pH. It also adds shine to hair. These and many more are the benefits of shea butter. Back to our video. After I have added my shea butter into the flaxseed gel, I went ahead to whisk it. You can either find an alternative to this. You can use a blender as well if you have it. Try not to make a mess just like me. This is our Prepoo and this is the consistency. This is it. So let's start applying. So we are starting from this section. Since I started incorporating flaxseed to my hair, I can tell you for sure that I do not have to worry about detangling my hair, because with flaxseed, it makes it very easy for me. Flaxseed, apart from the moisturizing properties, also hydrates and conditions the hair. The omega-3 fatty acid in flaxseed also reduces frizzes, improves scalp health, strengthens the hair, adds shine, also reduces breakage. You would get a whole lot of breakage if you're detangling your hair without some sleep. Flaxseed does the work. Flaxseed gives you the necessary sleep that you need to detangle your hair. As you can see, my coils are coming back. My hair is coming back to life. If you haven't started using flaxseed to detangle your hair, even if it is an oil, even if it's a mask, start using flaxseed today. Use flaxseed to detangle your hair. Your hair will come back to life. Can't you see? See what this mask has done to my hair. From dry to nourished. This can only be achieved with flaxseed. We are growing gradually, and I'm very happy for the growth. We are almost 870, and we will soon hit 1000, on our way to 1000. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe. By doing so, you are encouraging me to keep posting videos for you. So click the subscribe button right now. Watch this video to the end, guys. Watch it to the end. So we are done saturating our hair with this goodness. So you will cover your hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap. Allow it to sit for 15 minutes before you wash it out. Hope you love this video. If you do, consider subscribing to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.